Hi loves, welcome back. A warm welcome to you. In today's video, I will share with you home remedy for cold and flu. That season of cold and flu is here again, and this simple elderberry syrup will give you the peace of mind against cold and flu symptoms. I will also list all the ingredients in the description box below and also some health benefits of elderberry. In a pan, I have 4 cups of water. To that, I'll add my dry elderberry. I'll add some grains of Selim, slices of ginger, cloves, star anise, cinnamon sticks, and I'll give it a quick stir. And I'll place this on the stove top. I will set the heat to high and I'll allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'll reduce the heat to low and allow it to simmer. We are going to reduce the liquid to half. So I'm using 4 cups at the initial start. So when it is done, we are going to get only 2 cups of the juice. So now it has reduced to half. So I'll set it aside and let it cool down completely. I'm going to be straining this and I will not discard the elderberry and other ingredients. I'll set them aside and I'll add more water to it later that I can use for my tea or just get enough liquid from it to flavor my water, or you can also use it to make elderberry drink if you would like to. I have a recipe on the channel already for elderberry drink and I'll share that in the description box with you as well. Now we are going to be adding 1 cup of honey to our elderberry, and I will also be adding some fresh lemon juice later. Once I add the lemon juice, I'm just going to mix everything nicely until we have a uniform liquid. So you can use this elderberry syrup for your tea, to sweeten your drinks, to flavor your water. You can also drink it by itself in a reasonable quantity as syrup for cough, for cold, for flu symptoms. And this elderberry is the same ingredient that is used in most cough syrup for kids. So it's really a good thing. It's a natural way to fight cold and flu without any harsh chemicals, and you know what you are putting into your body already. And thank you for watching this video throughout. If you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.